Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's Excel tutorial, we'll be exploring an incredible powerful function called DGET. This function allows you to search within a table and retrieve specific information based on a specific criteria. Whether you're a student or a business professional or just an Excel enthusiast, the DGET function can be a game changer, so let's dive in. Before we dive into using the digit function, let's understand its syntax. The digit function has three arguments: the database, the field to extract, and the criteria. The database is the range of the cells that contains your table. The field is the column you want to retrieve information from, and the criteria is the range of cells that specifies the condition for the search. Let's start. First of all, I want to create a drop-down list from here. Click on this cell, then go to data validation. From here, select list and click here and select all the list from here. Then OK, as you can see. So in the second cell, type equal digit database, select all the table, then press F4, comma. For the field, choose first name, comma. Criteria, choose E1 to E2. Then close parentheses. Then enter. Then drag all the functions to the others, as you can see. Now, when I change the ID, as you can see, and voila, Excel will perform the search based on the criteria you specified, and the result will appear in the cell where you entered the digit function. And there you have it. By using the digit function, you can easily search within a table in Excel and retrieve specific information based on specified criteria. This function is incredibly powerful, versatile, and can save you hours of manual searching. Start using the digit function in your projects and unlock a whole new world of possibilities in Excel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Excel tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.